In this video, I will show you how to configure DHCP server on multiple VLANs in Cisco switch on Cisco Packet Tracer. Here in my topology, I will configure two VLANs, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, and each VLAN will use different network. And in both switches, I will have same VLANs and same networks. And in first switch, I will configure DHCP server for both VLANs, and I have taken a router for inter-VLAN routing and will assign to sub-interface for two networks gateway. Let's get started. Go to first switch. Here I will configure two VLANs first. Enable configure terminal. VLAN 10, name, sales, VLAN 20, name admin. I have to configure same VLANs in other switch. Go to next switch, enable, configure terminal, VLAN 10, name, sales, VLAN 20, name admin. Now go to first switch, exit. I have to assign these interfaces in VLAN 10 and these interfaces in VLAN 20. Interface, this is first Ethernet 0/3, this one is first Ethernet 0/4, and another one is first Ethernet 0/5. So I can configure these three interface as range, interface range, first Ethernet 0/3-5. Then switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 10, again 6 to 8, switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 20, exit. I have to configure same thing on another switch. Go to another switch. Here interface is first Ethernet 0/2, first Ethernet 0/3, and first Ethernet 0/4. Exit. Interface range first Ethernet 0/2-4. Switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 10. Next 5 to 7. Interface 5 to 7. Switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 20. That's it. Now I have to configure trunk port first Ethernet 0/1 and first Ethernet 0/2 in first switch. Interface range first Ethernet 0/1-2. Switch port mode trunk. Switch port trunk allowed, VLAN 10, 20. Now I am going to configure two DHCP pool in this switch. IP DHCP pool. First pool name sales network 192.168.10.0, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Then default router, which is called default gateway 192.168.10.1. I will configure this default gateway on the router. Then you can assign DNS IP address. DNS server, I'm taking Google public DNS server IP address 8.8.8.8. Hit enter. Exit. Next DHCP pool, IP DHCP pool admin, then network 192.168.20.0, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Default router 192.168.20.1. DNS 8.8.8.8. DHCP server finished. As because I am configuring these DHCP servers in switch, I have to configure IP address in VLAN interface so that DHCP server can provide IP address to the accurate devices in VLANs. Interface VLAN 10, sorry, IP address 192.168.10.254. I can use any IP address. I am taking the last IP address of this network. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Hit enter. No shutdown. Another interface. Interface VLAN 20. IP address 192.168.20.254. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. I have to configure same VLAN interface IP addresses on another switch. Go to next switch, exit, interface, VLAN 10, IP address 192.168.10.253, 255.255.255.0. Subnet mask. No shutdown. Another VLAN interface 20, IP address 192.168.20.253, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Switch configuration done. Now I have to configure sub interface for both networks. Sorry, I have configured 10 network in VLAN 10 and 20 network in VLAN 20. Now I have to configure to sub interface for inter-VLAN routing in the router. Go to router, enable, configure terminal, interface, first Ethernet 0/0, no shutdown. I have to create sub interface, interface first Ethernet 0/0 dot 10 for 10 VLAN. First I have to configure encapsulation protocol .1q, encapsulation .1q for the VLAN 10. Now assign IP address 192.168.10.1, the default gateway 255.255.255.0 subnet mask. Now another sub interface, interface fast Ethernet 0/0 dot 20 for 20 VLAN, encapsulation .1q 20 for 20 VLAN. Now IP address 192.168.20.1, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. My all configurations done. Now I have to verify. Go to first computer under VLAN 10 and network 192.168.0/24. Click on desktop tab, click on IP configuration and check DHCP. And here the perfect IP address is assigned from the perfect DHCP pool. Another one 192.168.10.3. Okay, then third computer of VLAN 10. Yes, IP address come from VLAN 10 network. Then fourth computer VLAN 20 and network 192.168.20.0 network. Okay, click on DHCP. Yes, 192.168.20.2. Next, 20.3. Next, to desktop, go to IP configuration, click on DHCP and 20.4. Now I am going to next switch under VLAN 10. Click on DHCP and yes, 192.168.10.5. Go to next computer at 10.6. Next one, hopefully 10.7. Yes, 192.168.10.7. And next computer under VLAN 20 and network is 20.0. Yes, 20.5. Next one, 20.6. Another one, the last one, 20.7. Yes, 20.7. Now I am going to verify communication. Go to first PC. This PC IP address is 192.168.10.5. Okay. Now I am going to ping 192.168.10.6 within the same VLAN. Yes, ping is successful. I am going to ping to different network 20.6. Yes, ping is successful with different network. Now I'm going to ping to the gateway, ping 192.168.10.1 and communication successful, and another gateway IP address 20.1. Yes, done. That's it. This is the easiest way to configure multiple DHCP server on multiple VLAN in multiple switch network environment.